Hi all, welcome to the last part of this video lecture, and we are going to do some good experiments, and we have been trying good functions so far. So we will be trying some last segments. Okay, so let's go to the next two activities: the smiley activity and red, green, blue buttons. Right. So we will start with the smiley function. So function mouse down, M down, right? Object. So that's my function name, and I'm going to start, right? And I'll be starting my function object style dot width is equal to 200 pixels semicolon, and object style dot height is also 200 pixels, right? I'm closing my function. So whenever I click on the particular image, automatically the size increases, right? So when I'm clicking back, it doesn't get decreased because I have not completed the MF process, right? So mouse down has been completed. So now I'm going to repeat the same function for mouse up also. So this command is being duplicated. Okay. So now instead of 200, I'm changing it to 150. Right. So now what happens? So whenever I take the mouse pointers, the size automatically changes. Okay. So so this is the smiley activity, right? Where the mouse up and mouse down is being implemented. Okay. Okay. The last part. So red, green, and blue buttons, right? So whenever we are clicking the red, green, and blue buttons, so we should get an output stating that you have clicked the red color, or you have clicked the blue color, or you have clicked the green color. Okay, shall we try that? So this is very simple process only. So whenever we are creating it, so the data has to be manipulated accordingly. So document dot get element by ID. Red button, I'm using the ID as red button. The ID number should not change. Okay, ID names dot add event listener. So what is this event listener is? So when based upon the function or operations, the further activity should be done. Okay, so click activity is being enabled here. So based upon that, okay, the function is activated. Okay, and how it is activated? Okay, next one, document dot get element by ID C demo dot inner HTML. Now I'm going to give the text. Okay. So what text I'm going to give is, you have clicked the red button. Semicolon. Okay. And document dot get element by ID then double quotes, C demo dot style color. So for the content, I'm going to give the color as crimson red. Crimson is enough. Semicolon and complete it with a semicolon. Okay, so let me try this. I'm clicking red button. So yes, it's working perfectly. I have clicked on the red button. Right? Green and blue are yet to be done. So now what I should do is I should copy the content for red, paste it for blue, and sorry, paste it for green and blue, right? So now what all changes I have to do? I have to click the green button. The color should be green. Click the blue button and the color should be blue. Click the blue button. Yeah, that's because I have given all three as red button as the ID. That's why green button, blue button. Cool, cool. Yeah. So red button, you have clicked the red button, you have clicked green button, you have clicked the blue button. Perfect. Got it? Yes. So this is the function of button clicking based upon the event listeners, right? And we'll try one last tag, which is for that red button itself. Okay. Document dot get element by ID red button dot add even listener on mouse over function. Okay. Open close, open the body, document dot get element by ID, then double quotes, red button dot style dot background color equals gray. Colon. Copy this function, paste it again with once I have given mouse over, right? So here I'm going to give it as mouse out. mouse out, and remaining this instead of gray, for color difference I'll give it as red. And completing my script here, also completing my HTML, right? So now checking my entire web page. So hi, welcome will be the first output. On click, I'm getting this output. Bulb on, bulb off, light mode, dark mode, right? And then first name, enter the first name. It cannot be empty. Entering the first name. Then submit. Last name is not entered. Last name is also being entered. So once it is done, I am taking the pointer inside the segment. You have the pointer on me. If I take it out, you have moved out from the segment, right? And the smiley operation has been done. And when I press red button, you have click the red button, green and blue button. So these are the three functions. So whenever I am taking the particular function, you could see that red color, green color and blue color buttons are available. So whenever I'm taking my mouse pointer to the particular button, you could see the difference in the color, right? So I, I take it to the red color, you could see that my mouse pointer is pointed on the red color, so it is changed to red. It is, changed to gray color, right? So if I can do the same thing for green and blue also. Okay. So for red alone, I have done this part. You can try it for green and blue color, right? So for gray color, so whenever I'm taking the mouse pointer to the particular button, the color changes from red to gray. Got it? Yeah. So these are the various activities and functions available in DOM. So you could try these activities, and there are even more several event listeners available, n number of event listeners available. You could imply all these things in your website and you can get benefited. Okay. So I hope you have learned a lot from these video lectures, and it's Karthikeyan signing off. Thank you.